For one-on-one personal software training or to build an application for your business, please visit our website codingins.com.
Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on basic website programming with HTML and CSS. I'm using Notepad++ as my editor today. You may use Notepad in Windows, Visual Studio Code, or any other editor of your choice, no problem. Let's start by creating a new file. Let's click on File, New File. Before we go any further, let's save the first file. We will call it index.html. Important to note here is the extension of our HTML file is always .html. Now let's start writing some HTML code. Let's type the word head and then we come down below a little and type the word body. Similar to a human body, an HTML page consists of two major parts, the head and the body. All the text, images, videos, and everything else you see on a web page is all placed inside the body section of a web page. The next thing I'm going to do is put the head and the body inside of angle brackets. By putting these words inside angle brackets, I'm telling the computer that the word body and the word head are commands or tags so that the computer processes it like commands and not like plain text. The next step will be to close the commands. It is necessary to close almost all HTML commands. To close commands or tags, all we have to do is to retype that command and add a / inside the command. So now the head and the body commands are closed. So now that our web layout is ready, let's start adding content to our web page. As we discussed earlier, all the contents inside a web page is always written inside the body section. So inside the body section, let's type Hello World. These are the magic words that almost everyone starts with in computer programming. Just like body and head, all contents we want to display in the HTML page also have to be placed inside of tags. That way, the computer is aware of the content type and it knows what's coming. If it's a heading or a paragraph, an image, or just a link to another page. So let's consider our text to be a paragraph. So to tag our Hello World as a paragraph, we simply type the word P for paragraph inside angle brackets before the Hello World to start the paragraph, and then a P with a / after the Hello World to end the paragraph. Now the computer knows Hello World is a paragraph and not an image, or not a heading, or not some other content type, okay? Let's see how our Hello World looks on a web page. We will browse to the file we've created, index.html, right-click on it and open it with a browser. We can now see Hello World on a web page. Perfect. Let's try to create more paragraphs for our web page. I'm going to quickly copy our Hello World paragraph, paste, and change the content. If I go to our web page again and refresh, I can now see more contents on the web page. Always remember, we can have multiple paragraphs and multiple images and other content types on a web page. But always and always, we can only have one head and one body on a web page, okay? I will put a link in the description below so you can check out to add other tags like headings, images, links, etc. So if all of this is a little intimidating at this time, it's absolutely okay. Just watch the video a couple of times more and you should be fine. Part 2 of this video will be on how to style a web page, add colors, and make a web page look pretty. Bye!
For one-on-one personal software training or to build an application for your business, please visit our website codingins.com.